Alright, so as a summary of what our code currently functions as, using the landmarks.csv file of the hallway with two included landmarks that we created on our own, the robot currently navigates to each point in the file. When it reaches the final landmark, it iterates backwards through the landmarks.csv file again, navigating to each point in reverse order. And the goal of this was kind of to simulate the robot returning to the starting point. So what you see here is the robot kind of traversing the hallway, going to each pre-specified landmark in the .csv file. So you can see here it's at the elevator, and it just finished that landmark. So it's going to try to go to the next one. So there's no randomness in this code. There's no random points or kind of self-detection. This is all manual right now. This is all kind of predetermined points, and the robot tries to go to each one of these points every time. So you can see here it's looking for like the best way to get to each of these landmarks in the file.
And it is taking into account the laser scanner to avoid any objects that could have possibly been in the way.
So not purely manual, but not as autonomous as we'd like it to be in the end. As you can see here, it's just calculating a path again. And right now it's going into the kind of back hallway there. That's one of the landmarks we added to our code, just to kind of make sure that the robot can get through the entire hallway, the entire area that we'll be testing. So it hit that corner, now it's going to the other corner. Also added to the CSV file. And I believe it's hit that landmark now. So what's going to happen is it's going to go back through the landmarks and kind of reverse the order to try to go back to where it started from. Quick adjustment. So it hits that checkpoint again, turns back around. And then starts to head back towards its original location. So yep, let's use the sensors to create the path. Took a little bit longer than we would have liked, but you can see it's back on track now, headed towards home. Hits the elevator landmark one last time. And heads back home. So that is the current functionality of the robot. Hit all the landmarks, use the sensors to create kind of the best path for it to navigate around all the obstacles, and it had the functionality of going out and returning home.